Determine the molecular kinetic energy per mole, per gram, per molecule of nitrogen molecules at 227 degrees Celsius. They have given us the value of R, they have given us value of N0, and they have also given us the molecular weight of nitrogen. So let us write down given capital T is equal to 227 degrees Celsius. In kelvins it is 227 plus 273 is equal to 500 kelvins. Molecular weight is equal to 28 grams, usually it is in grams, and in kgs it is 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Next thing that they have given us is value of R, which is 8.310 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and they have given us value N0 6.03 into 10 raised to 26 molecule Kelvin. So we have to find kinetic energy per mole, second we have to find per gram, and third we have to find per molecule. So kinetic energy per mole, second we have to find kinetic energy per gram, and third we have to find kinetic energy per molecule. Now in calculation part, we already know what is formula for kinetic energy. So kinetic energy per mole can be given by the formula for kinetic energy and divided by per mole. So 3 by 2 RT per mole is 1. So 3 by 2, the value of R is 8.310 into capital T in kelvins is 500 Kelvin. So on doing mathematics, performing multiplication of 3 into 8.310, we will get value as 24.93 divided by 2 into 500. On performing division, 12.46 into 500, and the final answer we will get as 6230. So this is kinetic energy per mole. Okay. So we can also the unit of this will become joule per mole. We can also write it as 6.230 into 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. So this is our first answer. Now let's move on to the second answer, which is kinetic energy per gram. So molecular weight they have given us, that is M0. Now let us write down the formula for kinetic energy, 3 by 2 RT and divided by M0. So 3 by 2 RT, we got the value as 6.230 into 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. So we are going to substitute that value directly, and then we are going to divide it by molecular weight. So 6.230 into 10 raised to 3 upon the molecular weight that they have given us is 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Now we are going to perform first SI unit this particular division, and later on we are going to make it as grams. So now we will send this 10 raised to 3 in numerator, so it becomes 6.230 upon 28 into 10 raised to 3 plus 3 will become 6. Next we can perform this division by using logs. So NT log of 6.230 minus log of 28 into 10 raised to 6, which is equal to NT log of characteristics of this number 6.230 will become 0 point, and its value is going to be 7945 minus, here for 28 the characteristic is going to be 1, and 4472 into 10 raised to 6, which is equal to NT log of, now subtract this two number, keep the order same, don't take bigger number first and smallest number afterwards, keep the order same, 7945 minus 1.4472. So on performing this particular subtraction, what value you will get? Three, 7, 4, 3 bar 1. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 14, 8, and 7 minus 4 is 3, and 0 minus 1 is bar 1. So bar 1.3473. So 10 raised to 6. So this antilog value comes out very much near to 2.223 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to 6. So this 10 raised to minus 1 can be adjusted in this value, so it will become 0.223 into 10 raised to 6 joule per kg. Now in terms of grams, we can write this number as 0.223 into 10 raised to 3 joule per gram. So this particular value is kinetic energy per gram. So this is the answer for our second to find. Now third case that we have to find here is kinetic energy per molecule. Same kinetic energy formula, 3 by 2 RT upon, now here we are going to write down the Avogadro number that they have given us, that is N naught, 3 by 2, or else we can directly substitute the value of 6.230 into 10 raised to 3 upon 6.03 into 10 raised to 26. So now 6.230 upon 6.03 into 10 raised to 3 is already there in the numerator. Now take 10 raised to 26 in the numerator, which is there in denominator. It will become 10 raised to minus 26. So 10 raised to plus 3 minus 26 will get me value as 10 raised to minus 23. 10 is 3, and the number that is going to go up is 10 raised to minus 26. Take log of these two numbers. So NT log of 6.230 minus log of 6.03 into 10 raised to minus 23. Now let us solve this particular term. So this is kinetic energy per molecule. So NT log of this characteristics will become 0 of 6.230, and its value in log table comes out to be 7945 minus, here also the characteristics will be 0 and its value in log will become 7803 into 10 raised to minus 23. So ND log of, now subtract these two numbers, 0.7945 minus 0.7803. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 7 minus 7 is 0 and 0. So 0.0142 is the number of which we have to calculate its antilog. So if you go and see this particular number in antilog table, then 0.01, 4 and 2 you have to find out. So on finding out the final answer, we will get the number as 1.033 joule. Since it is just energy per molecule, then it will be in terms of joule. So our answer here will become first, second and third. That is, kinetic energy per mole will be 6.230 into 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. Next, kinetic energy per gram will be equal to 0.223 into 10 raised to, what was the value here? 10 raised to 3 joule per gram. And the final value, kinetic energy per molecule, will be equal to 1.033 joule.